If you've watched my video of the Kodak Brownie #2 camera, you might end up thinking all olden days cameras look like that. The Brownie Junior #2 was produced between 1930 and 1933 by Kodak. The same company, Kodak Limited, produced another type of camera. This one looks a little bit smaller and pocket-sized, so it is more portable than the Brownie Junior. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Kodak Folding Brownie 620. So this model was produced between 1937 to 1940. It was produced in different models. The very first one is this, produced in 1937 to 1940. The other one was produced between 1948 to 1950. So this one is called Kodak Folding Brownie 620. While the other one was named 620 Folding Brownie. Two different models. The other one was, this was the very first model that was produced. You might be wondering, why is it called folding? This is because it can actually fold. So it can actually fold. So this is the camera when it has retracted. So to unfold it, you pull this. When you pull this, it comes up. So when you pull this, you can then. This is the full size of the camera. I think the reason to make it open to its full length and then close is to make it a little bit, modern and pocket sized. So because like this, it's not going to enter your pocket and it won't even enter this pack if it's folded like this, if it is in its full size like this. Then after taking pictures, you fold it back. So to fold it back, of course, it is very difficult to open it. It is easy to open it, but if you don't know how to close it back, you might struggle with it a little bit. So to close it back, you press this knob here, just press it down, and then it retracts. So when you see olden days black and white pictures taken by your grandfather, this was one of the cameras that did the job. Do you still have these pictures? Do you still have your grandfather's pictures? So if you do, hit the like button. If you would like to see videos like this, follow me so that you'll be the first to get notified when I post new videos. See you on the next one.